I had the local Yamaha shop replace the OEM front tire with a 5.1 inch wide Shinko 244. Ever since, the bike has developed a severe front end hop between 35 and 45 miles per hour. I had a different custom motorcycle shop unmount the tire, remount it, and add a 3/4 ounce spoke weight to balance the rim, but the hop remains. Considering the off-road farm type bike that it is, the front rim is relatively round with the exception of one 4-inch spot, which is probably about an 1/8 inch out of round. The tire itself seems to be out of round by an 1/8 to 3/16 of an inch in a couple of spots. This does not match the location of the bump and the wheel. It is about 90 degrees off.